Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a membership site with MemberPress, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Go to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type MemberPress. Once you find MemberPress, click on Install Now. After installation, click on Activate. Next, navigate to the MemberPress area in your dashboard. Click on Options to configure the basic settings. Fill in your payment details under the Payments tab. Select your preferred payment gateway. Set up your membership options under the Memberships tab. Click on Add New to create a new membership level. Enter a name and description for your membership. Choose your pricing options and access rules. Scroll down to set content protection rules. Next, go to the Products tab. Click on Add New to create a product associated with your membership. Define the product name and pricing structure. Associate the membership level you created earlier. Now, navigate to the Rules tab. Click on Add New to set rules for the membership access. Choose the content or category you want to protect. Designate the membership levels that can access the protected content. After setting the rules, click on the Save Rules button. Now, set up your confirmation email under the Emails tab. Customize the email message to suit your brand. Finally, test the entire setup to ensure everything works smoothly. Create a test user account to check the registration process. Confirm your payment and check for email notifications. Your membership site is now ready for your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.